In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can obtain your very own copy of Excel Draw, as well as showing you how to activate the program. If you have been sticking around with us for a while, you know that we're going over all the features inside of Excel Draw. If you have not obtained it yet, there is a way for you to do that, and it's in the links in the top corners. They're somewhere in the corners. They're also in the description down below. Whenever you click on that link, you're going to be brought to this screen here, where you can scroll down and you can obtain your very own copy of Excel Draw. Now, if you want to get the free version, you are limited. It says 15 objects here. I believe it's actually been increased to 25. So we need to update that. But you can just plug in your name and your email and you can get a free copy of Excel Draw. Now, whenever you do purchase Excel Draw, you will be receiving an email that looks like this with your activation on it right there. With your activation code handy, you are going to need to open Excel Draw. So just double click it from your desktop. It's going to ask you if you'd like to enable, and you say, yes, I would. And then you're going to want to go to Excel Draw tab and click on Activation. A new window is going to come up where you input your license number and then you click Activate License. It's going to go through the process of activating the license through the internet on our server, and then you'll be able to use Excel Draw. If you want to transfer your license to another machine, all you have to do is say deactivate license, and it will automatically deactivate your license for you, allowing you to transfer that license to another machine running Excel. And that's really all there is to it. We tried to make our software as intuitive and simple as possible. In case you all have any questions for me, please leave a comment down below. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. And if you'd like to try Excel Draw out for yourself, like I said, the link is in the description down below, as well as it's been peppered throughout the video. If you'd like to stay up to date with all of our tutorial videos, or you would like to stay up to date with everything Gray Technical, or hear some of our tips or product reviews, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much, and I'll see you on our next upload.